high strength, flexible and fast. FlexBeam, the new aluminium beam from Layher, does what it promises. FlexBeam is the new system solution for standing and suspended surface scaffolding and is persuasive thanks to its low structural height and high bending load capacity. Scaffolding structures have to be economical. This is made possible by fast assembly and optimized use of the material. The considerably higher load capacity permits for larger support and suspension configurations. That saves time during assembly and protects the structure. Less drilling, less assembling, less dismantling. With a 17 cm lower structural height, even motorway bridges are easy to provide with scaffolding. With its structural height of just 280 mm and its flexible suspension options, the FlexBeam unfolds its particular strengths where conditions are cramped, where more height clearance is needed, and where every centimetre counts. The key is the aluminium FlexBeam. The integrated U-shaped section at the top ensures quick and easy fitting of the Layher system decks. It's available in 5 lengths of between 3 and 7 meters. The beam connector can be used to connect beams to one another. It's secured using bolts with securing pin. The anchor plate. This is intended for direct wall plug connection of the aluminium FlexBeam to the structure, for example to the underside of a bridge, and to inclined surfaces too. If suspension is provided by others using a threaded rod, the FlexBeam tie rod adapter is used. The suspension shoe acts as the vertical support for the aluminium beam. It can also be connected directly to the tie rod adapter. All suspensions are connected to the all-round standards using standard adapters and spigots. Easy expansion within the Layher system dimensions is done using the standard connector. Lift-off preventers fix in place the system decks inserted into the U-section of the beam. They can be attached anywhere, moved in the longitudinal direction of the beam, and easily secured. The timber beam support is used to fix auxiliary beams. An example is creating fitted bays. The FlexBeam can be fitted to scaffolding using the end beam adapter. Unlike structures using lattice beams, the FlexBeam can as a rule be fitted without time-consuming bracing of the compression cord. FlexBeam, the aluminium beam from Layher. Flexible to use, strong and fast. Integration into the Layher system, both structurally and dimensionally, means that expansion using Layher standard components is easy. The higher resistance to bending permits a considerably larger support and suspension configuration. That saves on time and material. The U-shaped section at the top ensures quick and easy fitting of the Layher system decks. All this is what makes the FlexBeam so economical. Awarded the Mac Door Innovation Prize in 2019. FlexBeam, an innovation from Layher.